Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm gonna test this outside soon, but before I do that, wanna share real quick what happened to this 3D drone that I built. This was supposed to be with me 2 weeks ago to Vegas, but unfortunately, I tested it outside, just line of sight, and I tried to flipped it, right, like that. Because I wasn't used to 3D, what happened was I throttled down. It actually flew higher, which is normal for 3D, but my brain wasn't so used to it. I kept throttling down, and then it went up really fast, 130 feet, that I could not control it anymore, and I had to disarm it. Long story short, I broke this because I had to disarm it at 130 feet above. This broke. That's the ELRS, and also the frame that I printed before, which is PLA with the metal support, also broke. Okay, yeah, you can see that thing, but the damage wasn't really that bad. It's PLA, it's 2 millimeters thick only, so this still, even if it's thin, was able to do some little protection. Yeah, that's really cool. But anyways, I printed it again. This time I didn't use PLA. I used carbon fiber, carbon filled nylon, PA12-CF. Sounds strong, right? Quite honestly, I don't believe it's strong. I'm pretty sure it's brittle. Yeah, so this is the carbon fiber, and then it is actually brittle. Look, I'm gonna see, it breaks right away. Yeah, it's not really good. So I don't know which applications carbon fiber filled nylon can be used with. Yeah, it's really brittle. Yep. And where is that? Yeah, this is the one. I don't know. And I've seen other YouTubers or people who review 3D filaments. They say that carbon fiber is also brittle. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy a polycarbonate filament. They said it's very hard to print, but it's the strongest filament. So I'm gonna buy it soon. Anyways, because the ELRS antenna broke, the receiver specifically, I had to look for my TBS crossfire. I don't have any backup now of ELRS, so I had to use my old one. And I tried it last night, of course, without props. And yeah, I was able to arm it. And then, I also had to change one of the motors because it was actually burnt. See that thing, that part. That's actually a was caused by fire, so it's brown. Okay, it's really bad. Anyways, guys, you know what? I don't want to keep holding you. Let's get started, and we will test this soon. And I hope it flies well. Later.
All right. so crazy? Why is it so crazy? Why is it so crazy? I tried